This is Accra, but then it could be any major city in sub-Saharan Africa. Waste is generally dumped without any appropriate treatment. 90% of all collected excreta is directly discharged into the ocean. The case of liquid waste is particularly striking. The alternative to this serious environmental degradation has influenced a much-needed solution with considerable market potential.
Developing fertilizer pellets from human excreta.
And there is of course so much organic waste about to add to this unique process, a project initiated by the International Water Management Institute.
We have worked on it for about 10 years. We have realized that there is huge potential to use sludge that is kept at household and in public toilets, and also to use some solid waste, organic part of the solid waste, and produce fertilizer materials.
Very good for agricultural purposes.
Mr. Mba is the director of Tema Metropolitan Assembly's Waste Management Department and responsible for the city's septic treatment facility. This receives liquid waste from across the capital and nearby towns.
We treat the liquid waste by oxidation.
We have incorporated into that plant a facility for converting some of this material into compost.
Unfortunately, the treatment plant to make this work is not functioning. The facility is in disrepair.
We are currently rehabilitating this facility.
The good news is that with the collaboration of the International Water Management Institute and partners, some of the dredge is dried, bagged and sent to a composting site at the Biological and Nuclear Agricultural Research Institute in Accra.
Where we are now is a composting plant where we compost organic waste into fertilizer that we apply to crops.
Within this project, 3 types of composites are produced.
Fecal sludge only, then the water fecal sludge plus sawdust, and the water fecal sludge plus market waste. We break the lumps into smaller particles, then we form the heaps, add the required volume of water to the heap, then we turn at regular intervals, monitoring the temperature and the moisture content.
When the composite is ready, the next critical process starts.
The first machine here is the grinding machine, and what it does basically is to reduce the particle size of the compost.
Water and binding materials such as starch and clay are added to the grinded compost. The mixture then goes to the machine that produces the fertilizer pellets. And here are the dry pellets, ready for use as manure.
The pelletization is what really makes this project unique.
There are clear advantages producing dried pellets: reduction of volume and release of nutrients into the soil at the right pace. Pellets also minimize loss of nutrients in the soil and reduce transport costs.
We are conducting some market analysis on the pellets, and already we can see that there is a great potential for these pellets in different areas in Ghana. We have identified farmers who are interested in testing this product, in using it in the farms, and we hope to be able to take it further in the next phase of this project.
Previously, we had produced fertilizer materials that have also been enriched with some inorganic form of fertilizers. But this particular initiative is taking it a step further to enhance its marketability.
It is really good to use than chemical fertilizers.
Peter and his colleagues are vegetable farmers with farms on the outskirts of the capital, and they are keen on the fertilizer pellets.
It's better